So today we will do some simple therapy for the back pain. For the color therapy also I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you with the methi seeds. So in our palm or in our hand actually, back side between both the two fingers, between the middle finger and the ring finger, this passage. So if you are going to do color therapy, black sketch pen, non-toxic. So just from the back, make a line, and you can just leave it. Color therapy works very nicely on the kids, but you can do it for the elders also, and this works better in the daytime rather than in the night time, because the energy from the sunlight, when it falls, it works better on the skin, and it's easily absorbed by the skin and helps those nerves to relax. Otherwise, for the Dana Methi, I have taken a surgical tape which is easily available in the market on medical shops or on Amazon. You can order. Open that simple normal methi seeds from our kitchen. Make one single line in the same place. Open your hand nicely between second and third finger. From the center, you can put it, press it, straight line. This will work for your whole lower back, upper back and middle back also. Press it nicely, firm it. You have to change Dana Methi every day. Best part, you can just put it in the night, leave it, and it will work. If it is there in the daytime, after every 1 hour, keep pressing it. So the Dana Methi will give pressure on the skin, activate, improve blood circulation. You can just do it for 20-30 seconds and leave it. After every 1 hour, keep on repeating, and next day you can throw this strip and put a fresh strip. Minimum 7 to 8 hours in a day. If you put continuous also, there is no harm. So this is the first point. Second point is here, below the thumb, this line. So you can take back side of a pen, or this is throw. You can gently press it, and this will help you to relax your spine. Otherwise, in the same way, you can make a Dana Methi strip and paste it here. For this side also, I have prepared a Dana Methi strip. Just one single line is enough, and I am going to put it here. These are waterproof tape, and they come easily around 1 to 2 days. And same way, after every 1 hour, just give a mild compression, maybe in a circular motion also, clockwise and anti-clockwise, and relax. The next point is very important point for the back pain. Any kind of back pain. So I will take my leg little inward, sit on a chair or on a stool, and take below the length of the level of the knee. Just take your leg little inward. Take your thumb or finger. When you put it inside, it goes maximum inside, and you find a tender place there. And take your thumb, and with circular movement, super deep breathing, clockwise and anti-clockwise, keep on giving a mild, gentle pressure. Just 1 minute is enough. 3 to 4 times a day will help you to release or maybe completely get rid of the back. The first asana to release your back pain is Sphinx pose. Lie down on your stomach or abdomen. Keep your feet together, knees together. Lift your torso. Keep your chin on your palms and hold the pose. Fix your gaze at one point. Relax your mind completely and deeply, and stay there for a while. You can start this practice with 30 seconds, go on day by day 40-50 seconds, and then slowly increase to 1 to 2 minutes. You can do it 2 to 3 times a day. Second pose, Sarpasana, snake pose. Interlock your fingers, lift your upper back, inhale, look forward, mind and body relax. Hold the pose in your capacity and slowly increase it every day. And relax. Thank you.